In this tutorial, we'll explore assignment statistics, item analysis, and category analysis reports, all of which allow you to view analytical data across the assignments in your course. To begin, navigate to your section dashboard and click on the Performance tab at the top of the page. On the Reports page, let's begin with assignment statistics. This report provides quick data on each assignment, including the mean, highest, and lowest scores, as well as the number of times it was submitted. Select the assignments in the box on the right and then click View Report. You can export the assignment statistics report as an Excel file by clicking on the Export to Excel button at the top right of the assignment list. Next, the item analysis report provides a bird's eye view of a single assignment. To quickly identify challenging questions, this report provides an average score for each individual question across all students' attempts. Click on the plus sign next to the item to show the list of students who answered the question and their scores. Clicking on the item will show you a preview of the question itself and the correct answer. This is a good way to review commonly missed questions in preparation for or during class. Perhaps the most versatile and insightful of these three reports is the category analysis report. This not only helps you determine how your students are performing relative to specific learning objectives and goals, but it is also a highly effective tool for ensuring that your assignment objectives or formative assessments are aligned with your test objectives or summative assessments. This report is highly customizable in order to determine performance across aspects like learning objectives, difficulty level, and Bloom's taxonomy categories. A logical use for this data would be to identify where students are struggling, then remediate through lecture or online communication. A secondary use might be for course content review. At the end of the semester, before duplicating your course for the next semester, you might want to assess the effectiveness of your content. For example, identifying learning objectives that were missed by a larger number of students might indicate that the question was an objective not covered in your course. Another example might be to assess your assignments by Bloom's taxonomy or learning objectives to ensure that both the complexity levels and content levels of your low-stakes or formative assessments are aligned with your high-stakes or summative assessments. In that case, you can customize this report by selecting the learning objectives and Bloom's taxonomy categories. To learn more about using a combination of reports for the most thorough understanding of your course data, please watch our reports tutorial video on the assignment results, student performance, and at-risk student reports.